This is day 8 of our EOG review. We take the reading EOG 3 weeks from today. So getting a little closer. Then the math one will be the next day. That's the important one. A couple things. Noticed yesterday had a bit of an issue with this problem here. It's asking what is the value of quantity 3n times 1/3 to the third power when n equals 3. What you do on a problem like this is it is a substitution problem. It tells you what the variable equals. So what you're doing, since n equals 3, you're taking n out and putting the 3 in its place. One of the things that some of y'all had a problem with is when you put the 3 in for n, that doesn't make 33. 3n is 3 times n. So we would have 3 times 3 times 1/3 to the third power. So we're doing our parentheses. 3 times 3 is 9. So then we'd have 9 times 1/3. Whole number and a fraction. We just make the whole number an improper fraction. So 9 over 3, that's just 3. So we would have 3 to the third power. Something to the third power, that's that number times itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3. That gives us 27. Any questions on that? Another thing that we still need some more practice with is our division. So we got Ellerby Middle School received 1,617 pencils. The pencils are going to be distributed equally to the 11 homerooms. How many pencils will each homeroom receive? So go ahead and give that one a try. It's just a division problem. Big number divided by little number. Yeah, 147 is going to be the correct answer. One of the little tricks, if you're still having a hard time with your division, one of the little tricks I've seen some of the kids do is if you take whatever you're dividing by, the biggest number we can multiply it by would be 9 each time, right? You know, because if it's 10, we should have done 1 before, right? So if you do that number times itself, or just kind of adding it up 9 times, so we'd have 11, and that's 1. 2 would be 22, 3, 33, 4, 44, 5, 55, 6 times 11 would be 66, 7 times 11, 77, 8 times 11, 88, 9 times 11, 99. So 11's a little easier of a number, but sometimes if you're dividing by 16 or 17, if you just keep adding up 16 and 17, or whatever the number would be, that list can be helpful, because then as you're going, you're just kind of looking at what they give you. 11 doesn't go into 1. 11 goes into 16. Well, it's the one that's lower than 16, so that's 1 time. Again, like I said, for a number like 11, that's not necessarily a required step, but it can be helpful. So we bring down the 1, 51. You know, that's going to be the 44. So that's 4 we put there. And then you can see our 77 right there, so we get our 147. Any questions on that? Like I said, for a number divided by 11, that's maybe not a necessary or even super helpful step, but with more difficult to multiply numbers, that can sometimes help.